Suzuki Fronx fails crash tests. Receives 1-star safety rating. The 2026 Suzuki Fronx small SUV has received a critically low 1-star safety rating from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, ANCAP, following a severe failure in rear seatbelt testing. This outcome raises serious concerns about passenger safety, particularly for those traveling in the rear of the vehicle. Seatbelt failure and crash test results. ANCAP's recent testing revealed that a rear passenger seatbelt in the Fronx failed during a crash simulation, leaving a crash test dummy completely unrestrained. This failure occurred after the vehicle already received 0 points in the full-width frontal impact test, including for both 6-year-old and 10-year-old child occupant dummies due to high head acceleration and excessive neck tension. The seatbelt component failure is exceptionally rare but presents a grave risk. As ANCAP CEO Carla Horweg stated, ANCAP exists to give consumers confidence, and when our tests reveal results of this nature, we will act in their best interest by communicating our findings promptly and transparently. The agency strongly advises against rear seat passengers until the issue is resolved. Vehicle safety scores break down beyond the critical seatbelt failure. The Fronx scored poorly in other safety categories. Vulnerable road user protection, 65% safety assist, 55% adult occupant protection, 48% child occupant protection, 40%. These scores reflect a vehicle that performs significantly below current safety standards. Suzuki's response and recent safety record. Suzuki Australia has acknowledged the ANCAP findings, stating that a thorough investigation is underway in collaboration with Suzuki Motor Corporation in Japan. The automaker committed to taking any actions required to uphold our safety standards. This is the second Suzuki model in the past year to receive a 1-star ANCAP rating, following the Swift small hatch in December 2024. While the Swift was later upgraded to a 3-star rating with added safety features, Suzuki Australia currently does not offer any 5-star rated vehicles. The Jimny and Vitara SUVs remain officially unrated. Regulatory changes and model cuts. The Fronx's poor rating arrives amid broader changes for Suzuki in Australia. The automaker discontinued several models in early 2025 due to new regulations requiring autonomous emergency braking, AEB. These included the Ignis, S-Cross, Vitara, and Swift Sport. Deliveries of the 3-door Jimny were paused, but are expected to resume in 2026 with an updated version. Conclusion: the Suzuki Fronx's 1-star ANCAP rating is a stark warning to consumers. The severe seatbelt failure and low overall safety scores underscore the importance of independent crash testing in evaluating vehicle safety. Until Suzuki addresses the identified issues, passengers should avoid traveling in the rear seats of this model.